Tear off one side of the double-sided tape and stick it on the iron sheet. Adsorb the iron sheet on the back of the ceiling light, tear off the double-sided tape on the other side and stick it on the surface to be installed. Ceiling light can also be directly adsorbed on metal surfaces. Motion sensing. Long press the M button to turn on and off. Single press the M button to cycle through sensing modes. Long press the light bulb button to adjust the brightness. Short press to cycle through the color temperature. Ceiling light charging. The remote control uses to AAA batteries. Turn on or off. Dim the light. Brighten the light. Switch sensing mode. Switch color temperature. Setting 30 minutes or 60 minutes timer off. 18 feet long distance remote control.